Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. So today let's see how to use automation or shortcuts in iPhone, iPad. So let's see how to set a reminder whenever battery comes down below 5% or when the battery level goes above 80%. Or we'll also see when the phone is connected to a power source and to make sure that the switch is turned on. Let's see all those things with the help of automation. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video.
So let me show you all how to use shortcuts automation which is available in iPhones and iPad. For example, I'll show you on how to achieve this. So whenever I connect it to power source, charging, it will read out a message like charging. Similar way you can do it for when the battery goes below a certain percentage, let's say 5%, or when it goes above certain percentage, let's say 80%, just to avoid overcharging or it will remind you to put the phone for charging. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, you need to search for shortcuts. If you don't know exactly where it is, you can search for shortcuts. Once you come here, look for automation. Somewhere below there will be automation, and these are the automations which I have currently created. If you want to delete any automation, just swipe left, it will be deleted. And let me show from starting how to achieve when read out a message when battery level reaches or goes below 5%. For showing the difference, I'll just make it as 10%. Click on that plus, click on create automation, and here look for something related to battery. Click on battery level. Here there is an option to change the level and what level this needs to be triggered. Let me set it as 10%. Make sure to select this particular option falls below 10%. We don't want it to be equals to 10% because it may from 4% to 5% it may come up when charging, and this might get executed, this might get triggered, so we don't want that. So let's keep whenever it goes below 10%, this message should be triggered. Click on next, click on add action, search for speak, and let's say battery low, and click on done. So once clicked on done, you can modify at what rate or pitch this needs to be executed and what language to be used. For this example, I'll show it in English United States because they have lots of voices over here. So they have lots of options in the voice section. So what I'll do is I'll select this particular voice because this suits very well for battery low. When I play this over here, if you click on play, so this is how it will be played. It will sound like the battery is about to die or the phone is about to die. So that's what we want to achieve here. So whenever it goes below 10%, this particular message will be played. Click on next, and make sure ask before running is disabled. So we don't want it to be every time they ask us to play this, so it should happen automatically. So let's disable that and click on done. That's how we achieve for 10% when it goes below 10%. Similarly you can do for 80% as well. Or if you want notification whenever it is connected to power, you can do that as well in a similar way. You can go to charger, and here you can select what option is connected or is disconnected. This will be triggered only when you turn on the switch. What happens is we'll be aware if the switch is not on because we'll be waiting for this particular message to be read out. If that is not played, then we can be sure that the switch is not on and we can go and turn on the switch. So in that way you can use this for playing this message. Charging. So if you want this one, you can do that as well. Let's see if this works. it's executed, but it is not played because we have given this option over here. Let's do it again, and let's disable this for now. We have missed one thing. We have missed to set the message. For this you have to go to do actions, click on add speak text, and select charging as the message. Click on done, click on this. If you want, you can change, you can charging. So this is how the sound will come out now. So let's keep it as it is. Now let's see if I remove, if that particular charging message comes or not.
Charging.
So it's coming.
Charging.
So it's coming. So 4 times it has come, not sure why. And similarly, when you put this thing back,
charging,
so that also comes. If I remove,
charging,
so that also comes. First time it came 4 times, I'm not sure why. But you can split this
charging.
to two particular automation, one for charging and other for disconnected or something like that. In that way you can set the automation for battery levels and power. Hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments.
Hope you all like the video, guys. If you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.